Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Devi Nur Fajrangrini with student ID number 234111165. On this occasion, I will be presenting learning material based on the topic assigned in the course I am currently taking. The discussion will cover important concepts that are expected to enhance our understanding and academic insight, particularly in the fields of accounting and management. I hope the explanation I deliver will be clear, easy to understand, and beneficial for all of us. Now, let's move on to the main discussion. Okay, on the first slide we will discuss the meaning of income or profit. Income or profit, often referred to in Indonesian as laba, profit, is one of the most important concepts in accounting. Generally, profit is the difference between a company's revenue and all costs or expenses incurred to generate that revenue. According to the accounting concept, income is an increase in economic benefits during a period indicated by an increase in assets or a decrease in liabilities, so that resulting in an increase in the company's equity. However, this increase in equity does not come from additional capital provided by the company's owners. Profit is often considered the primary measure of a company's success. When a company is able to generate high and consistent profits, it demonstrates that it is managing its resources effectively and efficiently. On the other hand, if a company experiences continuous losses, this condition can be a signal of problems in the company's operations or business strategy. In practice, profit not only reflects the end result of business activities, but also reflects a company's ability to create economic value. Therefore, information regarding profits is always a primary concern for various parties interested in the company. Thus, it can be concluded that income or profit is an important indicator used to assess a company's performance and success during an accounting period. Next, on the second slide, we will discuss the role and importance of income or profit in the world of business and accounting. Profit plays a crucial role because it is one of the primary pieces of information contained in financial reports. Profit information is used by various parties for different purposes. For investors, profit is used as a basis for assessing whether a company has good future prospects. Investors are generally attracted to companies that consistently generate profits because they are perceived as having the potential to generate profits through dividends and increased share value. For creditors, profit information helps in assessing the company's ability to pay debts and meet its financial obligations. The better the company's ability to generate profits, the higher the level of creditor trust in the company, and in accordance with applicable accounting standards to produce reliable information. On the third slide, we will discuss the concept and types of income or profit contained in financial reports. In accounting practice, profit does not consist of just one type. There are several levels of profit used to provide an overview. More detailed information about company performance. Type. The first is gross profit. Gross profit is the difference between sales and the cost of goods sold. This profit shows the company's ability to generate profits from sales activities before taking into account other operational costs. The second type is operating profit. Operating profit is obtained after deducting various operating expenses, such as marketing, administration, and general expenses, from gross profit. Operating profit reflects the results of a company's core activities. The third type is profit before tax. At this stage, all revenue and expenses have been accounted for, except for tax expenses. This information is crucial for understanding a company's ability to generate profits before tax obligations are met. Next, there's net profit, which is the profit remaining after all expenses and taxes have been deducted. Net profit is often considered the most important measure because it shows the final profit a company actually earned. Additionally, there's the concept of comprehensive income. This concept encompasses not only net income but also changes in equity resulting from certain transactions and events not recorded in the regular income statement. By understanding the various types of profit, users of financial reports can obtain a more complete picture of the company's condition and performance. In closing, on the fourth slide I will convey the conclusion of the income or profit material. Income, or profit, is one of the most important elements in accounting and financial reporting. Profit reflects the results of a company's activities over a period and is a key indicator for assessing its performance. Profit information has very broad benefits. Because it is used by investors, creditors, management, government, and various other parties in the decision-making process. Therefore, the quality of earnings information must be maintained to ensure it remains relevant, reliable, and trustworthy. Apart from being a measure of a company's success, profit also functions as a performance evaluation tool, a basis for business planning, and an indicator of the company's ability to create value. Company finances. Various business and economic decisions. That concludes the material I can present on this occasion. From the discussion, we can conclude that each concept has an important role in supporting both theoretical understanding and its practical application in real-world situations. I hope this material can broaden our knowledge and serve as a useful reference in our learning process. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.